Hey YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're dealing with the 2021 Toyota Corolla Cross, specifically this loose rear view mirror in it right here. Now this vehicle has a little over 5,000 miles or 8,000 kilometers on the odometer, but the roads are pretty rough where we live, so I guess that's what you get after 2 years of use. So let's try to fix this problem right here today. Now if we look over here, there's a lid and there's probably a screw in there that we can tighten, so we have to take this lid off first. Now the procedure I'm going to show you guys today will probably work with a lot of modern Toyota vehicles out there. The steps will likely be similar for other vehicle makes as well. Let's take off this cap first. So I tilted the rear view mirror down for easy access, and you see with the way this is moving, it's probably just clipped on there, so we take that out first. Pull out the rear power portion. There's going to be 2 clips inside that. There you go. And slide it rearward. Like so. The screw is hidden pretty deep in there, so we'd probably still need to take this part off. But you can see that that's the part that we need to tighten. If you see over here, there are rearward facing clips securing this whole part right here. So this part probably came from the front first and was slid backwards in place. So we'll have to do the reverse of that to take it off. So let's try to push this thing forward. There you go. Let's move this upwards to get access to the screw. But you can already see the screw over there. There's the part right there. So instead of just tightening this screw, I want to take it off and put some blue thread lock on it to prevent this problem from happening again. It's actually pretty dangerous if you let this screw work its way all the way loose, since this whole rear view mirror assembly might actually fall off while you're driving. So let's do that. Have the screw off. And this is the problem I was telling you guys about. You don't want this to happen where because of vibration it works its way all the way backwards and just falls out. So let's put this back on again and put some thread lock on the screw. This is the pattern that was needed for the screw, by the way. So based on my toolkit here, it says it's a, not sure if you guys can see that, T15. So that's what you need. You just want to put a little thread locker on it, and as you screw it into its slot, it should distribute itself pretty evenly. Moving back inside, I started the screw a little over here. Let's tighten it all the way, and as you do that, the thread lock should distribute itself pretty evenly like I said earlier. Tighten it just right, but not too much. No more rattling. Problem solved. So let's put the panels back. Let's start by putting back this big panel over here. You can see the 2 orange clips that were facing rearwards that I showed you guys earlier. And 2 more guides on the bottom. So we start by putting it on here. Got it in. Make sure you don't have any gaps, that means it's fully seated. And once you do that, slide it rearwards to get all the clips in their slots. There you go. Next, we pull this down to make some space. Last but not the least, we reinstall this first piece that we removed right here. It has 2 guides over here and 2 more clips that face sidewards. So what you have to do is slide the guides in first and press down to make the clips engage. So let's do just that. Slide the guides into the 2 holes over here. And press down to make the whole thing engage. There you go. Problem solved.
I hope you found this video useful. If you want to see more of these, please hit like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I promise not to spam your feed with clickbaity thumbnails and the like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.